Get yourself a blank piece of A4 paper. Now fold one of the corners down, like so. Open it up and fold the other corner down. Now turn it around and you can see across. Now fold it down halfway so that you can see the lines match the lines. Now turn it around and push the pieces together to make this shape, a triangle on a rectangle. Fold this flap up this way. And you should do the same with the other side. Fold it down. Now take this part and fold it down again. Obviously, you do the same with the other side. Now you see these loose flaps. What you want to do is fold it over halfway as well. Fold the other side halfway as well. Now you got to open it up and fold with the thick part. Yes, this part is thicker. Fold it down like this. And fold the other side like this as well. Now pinch here so that it goes underneath. Pinch, yes, that's right, pinch it down. You have the crease lines already, so it'll be fairly easy to pinch down. Now flip it over and fold backwards as much as you can. You're halfway done. Now flip it over and fold this part up until you reach the plain folds. That's right, crease it down. Turn it around and crease it down on the other side. Now it's easy to rip. You want to rip this off, slowly and carefully. You may want to use scissors if you're not comfortable with ripping it. Now take this strip and fold it in half. This will become the tail of the plane. Go about 2/3 down the plane, and then rip it halfway down. What you want to do is create a little tail. Yes, like this. Rip it a little bit and fold it down. This tail will hold the plane up when it's flying. Take the other part of the plane and fold it, like so, in half. Now fold this part down as much as you can until you hit the thick part of the plane, like this. Now you've got yourself a basic plane. You want to insert the tail here. And there you go. You want to fold this part up so that you create flaps. This will make sure the plane's flying straight. There you go. The world's best paper airplane. If you want to be a little bit creative, you can do this. Rip it here and here. This will create the first lift flap. You know in airplanes where they have little flaps that lift the plane? That's right. This will ensure your plane will stay up even longer. Like this.